Hello, we have an interesting scientific update in today's newspaper related to what we read in our 12th standard biology. So what is that? NRCB's two high shelf life banana varieties released. So this is the topic. So let's try to have a discussion related to this. So please watch the entire video to get the complete information, right? So first thing, what is NRCB? So NRCB is an institute called as National Research Center for Banana. So it is under the guidance of ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. It is a research organization and it takes care of primarily agricultural research happening in India through various research centers across the country. Okay, so in that line, they have a center in a town, spiritual town in Tamil Nadu called as Trichy or Tiruchirappalli, where they have this center where they mainly focuses on banana research. Okay, so this NRCB institute, they have given two variety. One variety is called as variety of banana called as Kaveri Thangam. Kaveri is the river, okay, one of the perennial rivers in South India. So Trichy is there, this institute is there on the banks of Kaveri. They would have got the word Kaveri, and Thangam means golden in color. So this banana seems to have a golden appearance, so hence they have given the name Kaveri Thangam. So what is the speciality about it? It has got three speciality. One is it has got a high vitamin A content compared to other banana. Okay, so this is something similar to vitamin golden rice that we have seen in our 12th standard biotechnology application chapter. So here they say that per 100 gram of banana there is almost 1000 microgram of vitamin A, and there is also increased shelf life. Shelf life is the time between the harvest and time between the sale, and this is going to help the farmers for the better sales and better profit, increased shelf life. And third thing is, this is also naturally resistant against a common insect called as weevil insect. So these three are going to be the speciality of this Kaveri Thangam, right? And there is one more variety that they had introduced, which is called as Kaveri Nadan, okay, which is generally a high yielding variety, and this is going to help the farmers to have more banana, thereby that is going to give the more output. Okay, so the interesting thing here is, generally when we see this sort of an high yielding or with banana or any crop with some special property, we generally consider this to be a transgenic plant. Transgenic means that the existing gene in the plant is being modified, either they are added, they are deleted, whatever is being done, thereby the desired output is obtained. Okay, interestingly, these two variety are non-transgenic one, okay, where there is no genetic manipulation that had happened in this particular plant. Okay, and how scientists were able to obtain this plant, it is completely through a selection process. Okay, so they are natural plants, they are not a transgenic plant, and they have scientists through years and some decades of research, they have got this plant through a natural selection, where a particular plant is selected and it has been propagated through a process called as tissue culture. Okay, so this is quite interesting, and I wanted to share with you. Okay, see you in another interesting video. Thank you.